Aprendendo a falar algumas palavras em Afrikaans.
Are you ready? Yes. Okay. So, in Afrikaans, we don't say hallo, we say hello. 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 Okay. Goeiemôre. Goeiemôre. Let's practice. Now, when there's something stuck in your nose and you want to, or in your throat, let's hear. Okay, so this means good morning. Let's say goeiemôre. Goeiemôre. Okay, this means good afternoon. Goeiemiddag. Goeiemiddag.